Welcome to a Mastering the Marketplace video. You can find more videos, hands-on labs, and example code at this URL, aka.ms/mastering the marketplace.
Let's talk a little bit about securing the virtual machine. This is one of the topics that keep coming, especially because we know publishers want to secure the intellectual property. They want to make sure that nobody get that code out, right? And also you don't want to deploy something in your customer environment that could harm the customer infrastructure, right? So there's a couple of security things that we can do, and one of them is using the Microsoft Cloud Defender, right? It's one of the things that we have in Azure, and it can help you, identify track vulnerabilities, keep you secure, right? You get reports and keep you up to date on things happening in your VMs and in your cloud. But as a publisher, right, there are things that you can also do to help secure your VM, right? Number one is we have something on every VM called the metadata service. Is a private IP that your VM can only see, right? And your VM will have a unique ID, not even if it's a clone. Every new instance will have a unique ID for the customers to use. And you can use that unique ID to identify that machine, just in case you want to build like a license for it, or you want to identify that, nobody's doing something funny with it. We have also a set of certificate tools, right? Certification tools. You run those before you submit your offer. So I know Nila went over, creating the snapshots, but there's also an update, a certification tool that you run pointed to port 22 in a Linux machine, or RDP on the other system. I think we also use WinRM for that. So these are tools that we have to verify that the VM itself is very secure before you submit it to the marketplace. Again, we will run this application again after submission on our side, but you want to prevent a delay on your VM by not running this, and then we run it and you find that, oh, there's something that you need to fix, and then wasting some days because now your VM is bounced back. Okay, like Nila showed, you run your updates at your systems. It's very important to keep things up to date, right? If you have port that you don't need, right, close the ports, right? Don't leave port 80 open if you're using 443, or don't leave any port open for web if you don't have no web front end, right? So close your Linux ports, and then of course make use the anti-malware tools that we have for Azure VMs. Okay, so that's very 5 important points that will help you keep your VM secure. So when they deploy in the customer environment, you're not exposing them, or you are hurting your customers.
Thank you for joining us for another video from Mastering the Marketplace, the learning library where technologists go to get their offer on the Microsoft Marketplace. For more videos, hands-on labs, and sample code, find us at aka.ms/mastering the marketplace.